Rotate it to the left or rotate your head and a capsule will not emerge.
Hey Ribbiters! It's Froggie, and today I'm gambling! Located in Toronto, Ontario, Canada, I'm at Gashapon Time. I found this place one day on my way to work. As you can see, it has a ton of Gachapon machines in it. I'll show you guys what they have and try to win something cool. For those of you who don't know what Gashapon is, it's a type of vending machine that you can put coins into and get these plastic capsules with random toys inside. They're very popular in Japan. I live in Canada, so it's pretty rare for me to see them around. I remember seeing a few machines around Chinatown growing up, so it's nice to see how many more things there are nowadays. Does Gachapon even count as gambling? You technically still get something for your money, so it's not like losing all of your money to the one-armed bandit inside a casino. But at the same time, you don't always get what you want, so maybe it is? Let me know in the comments if you think this is not gambling. So this place in particular, it was $3 for one token, and a lot of the machines took about like 2 to 4 tokens per place, so that's roughly the gauge of how much it costs for one capsule toy. I had a lot of fun just looking around and seeing what type of toys they have. There were a lot of repeats, surprisingly, but I guess since there are a lot of people going down the aisles, everyone gets the chance to see all the toys that they have and not one machine gets hogged up. Okay, so I bought some tokens. Let's see what we get. The first machine. Let me put in the coins. This one is a Kirby one. Pretty excited to see what we get from this. Anything coming out? No, I don't think so. Oh, finally, something. How do I open this? Oh, it lifts up. Okay. Alright, I think I'll get the hang of this. The first one is always a little bit of a growing pain. Next we got Chiikawa. This is a really popular mascot lately. I've been seeing a lot of Chiikawa stuff around. Alright, this one costs 2. Let's see. Oh, I think we can see what is already in here. Next one is another Kirby one. I could not help myself. I had to get another Kirby. This is a different line though, so excited to see which one I'll get from this one. And it looks like the car, maybe? And this was just so cute. I love little animals. I really want this one. I really want an animal from this one. Like maybe the dog. That'd be great. And Spy Family! I really enjoyed the whole series. I'm caught up on the anime and the movie, and I'm looking forward to the next season. Let's see who we get from this one. The coin kept falling through the hole, so maybe this machine's a little bit faulty. But I managed to get something from this one, and it looks like it's Yor! Alright, I think we've got a nice haul. It's a bit crowded, so I will open these at home. Before we open up our capsules, I want to introduce to you this video's sponsor, me, Froggie! Hi, if you're new, I'm a singer that covers a lot of Vocaloid and anime songs, and I'm also a new game dev, and also an artist. I draw a little bit on the side, and I don't really draw for other people besides myself, but recently I opened up a merch store where you can find t-shirts, hoodies, and mugs with the designs that I drew, so you can check it out at froggiesinger.com. Now back to the video. Alright, I'm finally home, and here are all of our capsules. Can't wait to start opening them. Let's start with this bright red capsule. It looks the most mysterious since I can't see inside of it, and I don't remember which machine it came from. It's got this tape around it. Oh, great. This capsule is really tough to open though, not gonna lie. I don't know if it's because I'm not used to opening them or if they're just built different in Japan. The Gashapon machines all have Japanese on them, so I guess that's where they all came from. Anyways, this was the Warm Feelings rainy day capsule machine with all the cute animals. And I see a cute yellow figure. Looks like we got the girl. Darn, I really wanted the cute Shiba. But she's pretty cute too. She has two separate parts. There's the top of the red umbrella, and there's the girl herself holding onto the umbrella handle. Here she is! Here's a quick 360-degree view of the girl. I think the sculpting looks pretty nice, and let's try to attach this umbrella. Oop, the handle is pretty bendy, unlike the rest of the figure. Okay, let's try putting the stuff in. You can tell it's not really my forte, but I'm trying my best. Ta-da! I think she looks really cute. Okay, next is the Chiikawa capsule machine. It has these little rubber magnets you can collect, and I can already tell what it is because this capsule is transparent. To be honest, I'm not really familiar with the Chiikawa universe. I only really know Chiikawa. But this character is called Momonga. And she's right here. Very cute. Momonga looks like she's eating a peach. I can see a bit of drool on her face, but she looks pretty proud of herself. I had to look this up, and Momonga means flying squirrel in Japanese, which she is one, and Momo means peach in Japanese. So maybe that's why she's holding a peach. Next up is this pink capsule. I see a little face inside and it looks very familiar. If you guessed Kirby, you would be correct. Ugh, this dumb tape again. I'm breaking out the knife because it's impossible to peel off of my hands. This collection has 4 different Kirby transformations from the Kirby Copy Ability collection. There's only one bright yellow Kirby in this collection, so I think I know which one it is. Let's take him out and see if we can put him together. Ta-da! Here he is! He's dual-wielding a frying pan and a ladle. And he's got this really big chef's hat and a big hole on his feet. I wonder what he's got cooking, to be honest. Maybe it's something yummy. Whoops, looks like Rainy's umbrella got swept away by the power of sticky tape. Okay, back to Kirby. Let's put his big red feet inside the starry thing, and... okay, that's one. Let's look for the second one. How does this go? Okay, I think it's just an easy fit right there. And there he is. He looks pretty grand if you ask me. Let's compare him to his picture. I think it looks pretty similar, except he looks a little bit more rotund in real life than he does in the picture. Maybe it's the lighting, I can't really tell. Alright, next is another Kirby. This one's pretty easy to see inside too. I make opening up these capsule balls look so easy, but I actually struggled a lot. I just cut out those parts because you'd be watching me struggle for 5 minutes. And these Kirby ones are actually really nice. The paper is printed in color too. I really appreciate that detail. So I think we got the cake. He looks like a car, but he has cookies for wheels, and it's the only figurine that I can see that has 2 stars on the green base. I don't really know what the stars mean. Like, I haven't played the game, but if you guys know what it means, could you let me know in the comments? I mean, I'm happy with any of the Kirby figurines. I think they're all a winner. Alright, let's take him out. And then I will pop him onto his base. Oh, okay, let's look at his feet. He has strawberries for feet. The top of the right strawberry looks a little bit scratched up though. Not sure what that's about. And he's got a cute little cherry. And his face is blushing like it is, always. And he's got these cute little stars on his wheels. It's a nice detail. I like how detailed this looks. Let's pop on the base. And there he is. Last one is Yor. Try and get her out of this capsule. Oh man, it bent so much I was scared of breaking it. But I think the capsule survived. And then let's open up the paper. It shows everyone else from this collection. The paper isn't in color though, but luckily I did take a picture of the machine so you can see it in color. It's the Spy Family collection and you can get everyone from the Forger family. She's got this little stand to prop her up. Let's see if I can cut this open. I've given up using my hands at this point. Here she is! She's got a big hole at the back of her head. And I like her bow. It's really cute. She's wearing a striped shirt, and I don't remember her wearing this color though. Doesn't she usually wear red? Okay, let me try and assemble this. As always, it's a little bit of a struggle for me, but I think I managed to poke the stand into her head and make sure that she can stand alright. And there she is! So this is what I got today, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see more in real life adventures with Froggie. It's the first time I've filmed something like this, so I'm not really sure what the reaction's going to be. If you want to see more, please leave a comment so the YouTube algorithm keeps me on your feed. That's all for now, and have a riveting day!